Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably pulling your hair out over the CS0234 error code in NinjaTrader, especially with the 2025 updates. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to fix it step by step. This error typically means there's a missing type or namespace in your code, often due to outdated references or software glitches. It's a common issue in trading platforms like NinjaTrader, but it's totally fixable with a few tweaks. First things first, make sure your NinjaTrader is up to date. Open the application, go to the Help menu, and check for updates. If there's a new version available, install it right away. This could resolve the error since 2025 brought some changes to the underlying framework. Next, dive into your code. The CS0234 error is usually related to missing assemblies. In NinjaTrader's strategy editor or code window, look for any using directives that might be causing issues. For example, if you're referencing a namespace like System, Windows, Forms, ensure it's properly included. To fix this, right-click on your project in the Solution Explorer, select Add Reference, and make sure all required .NET assemblies are checked. If you're using custom indicators, double-check their paths and ensure they're not corrupted. Another quick fix. Try cleaning and rebuilding your project. Go to the Build menu, select Clean Solution, and then Rebuild Solution. This refreshes everything and often clears up compilation errors like CS0234. If that doesn't work, let's check your .NET Framework installation. Head to the Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and verify that you have the latest .NET Framework installed. Aim for version 4.8 or higher for 2025 compatibility. If it's missing, download it from Microsoft's website and restart your computer. Lastly, if you're still stuck, it might be a permissions issue. Run NinjaTrader as an administrator by right-clicking the shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. That can sometimes bypass security restrictions causing the error. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that pesky CS0234 error for good. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!